welcome back to my channel. I am Candy Lai from HJL Autoparts. We are the best channel for repair shops to talking about marketing, entrepreneur, and management tips. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the best tips and tricks that you can implement now on your marketing plans. In my last video, we talked about the reasons why you should use the online marketing to promote your service, your shop, and your brand. I know many of you have the questions. Candy, what method should I start with to promote my shop? Candy, which method is most efficient? And what's the sequence I should launch my marketing plans? So if you are interested in building your shop online, then keep on watching. And remember to watch until the end because the tips and tricks are just getting better and better. Generally speaking, there are three types of marketing for repair shops: email marketing, in-store marketing, and online marketing. Basically, you can collect the emails from the in-store marketing and the online marketing, which we will talk more later on. With these customers' emails, you can send them the direct message to show your cares and concerns. Example, you can send them the emails right after their in-store service is finished. Ask them if they are happy with your service. How is the vehicle now? And can they give you some testimonial or comments? Or you can also send them the emails to remind them it's time for the regular maintenance check. Also, send them the emails whenever you are hosting an in-store event for bond connecting. So here is my hack number 1 for email marketing. Create your own email file and keep them well. No one knows if someday the Instagram or the YouTube will shut down suddenly. So it is very important that you have your own email list and you keep it well on your own. Next, let's move to the in-store marketing, and here is the hack number 2. Create a membership plan. Example, one of our repair shop friends has the reward card program. Whatever amount the customer spent in the shop will be converted into the point, and the customer can use the point for the bill next time. The reward card is the well-known useful method to encourage your customer to come back to your shop again and again. And it is even better if you can create a referral reward program. Let the current customer to refer you to their friends, and they can receive a small freebie or service discount. Or if the new customers mention their referrals, they also can receive a small freebie. Just look at the Airbnb. They are the best example of the referral program. Okay, next hack is to host the event that can build up the relationship with the old customers and the new faces. You can host the events that can attract new customers and increase the old customer retaining. Example, you can host the event just like a free card checking and give them some consultancy to show your professionalism. Or you can host the seminar event to educate your customers with the correct concept. Or you can get involved with the event with nearby charity. Or you can partner with other local business to promote each other. Example, you can promote the fried chicken takeaway shop at the corner, and they promote your tire changing coupon in every meal they sell out. Through this event, you build up the customer's dependency to you and grow your brand in your area. Next hack, educate your customer with the in-store informative content. Always explain to your customers what's the reason to cause their car problem, how is the process of your service, and the most important one is to give them the suggestion and option to decide which way to fix their car. You can also hand some testimonial from the old customers of their experience in your shop. Post the before and after picture to share the value of good service and products. Next hack, create a cozy professional environment. Here's my question for you. There are 2 shops for your option. One is clean, tidy aircon and served with minibar drinks versus there's just a tiny, darky space with old sofa and no aircon. Which one will you choose? I bet the answer is clear. So remember to create an environment that is smart, cozy, and just like a second home for the customer to stay during the repairing time. Alright, so these are some ideas for your in-store marketing. Next, I want to talk about some online marketing methods you should implement and you should do now. So let's dive into the hack number 6, make the best of social media. As we just said, there are several marketing methods you can use, just like sending the email or text, hosting the event, or developing the in-store marketing. These are good. But it will be even better if you have your own social media platform or channels to explode your shop, your reputation, or your brand. Let me explain this. People now tend to be more tolerant if they forget the purse at home versus they can't tolerate if they left home without mobile phone. Why? Because we all get used to swipe our phone anytime. When you are waiting for the traffic light, you will take out the mobile phone and swipe onto the Facebook. Or if you are waiting in the line for ordering a cup of coffee, you will pick in the Instagram. Or even when you are sitting on the toilet, I bet you will take the time to watch your favorite YouTuber's video. Since everyone is out there on the social media, use it as your best tool to run your marketing plans. And this also brings me to my next hack. How can you do with your social media channel? So, my next hack is to introduce yourself on the social media. Your visitors and customers are all on the social media platform, searching for their ideal repair shop to rescue them out of the car trouble, discussing their own repairing experience, and recommend the repair shop they trust to each other. The point is, how can you let them know that, hey, I'm here and I can help? How can they know you are the best mechanics in the town? Or how can they know your good skill and your good service? You got to give them the chance to know more about you. You can introduce yourself to them via the YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. You can let them know what kind of service do you provide, what kind of vehicle do you specialize in, or what kind of guarantee you can give them. Share the before and after pictures to show them your expertise and skill, or show them the customer's testimonial to persuade them in advance. You can also feature some maintenance tip, drive safety reminder, or travel tip. Through this informative content, your customers will believe in you and trust you unconsciously and think of you first when they need you. Now, let's move to our hack number 8. Engage with your visitors and customers. As we talked in the last hack, the social media is the best space you can build up the customer's trust to you. Also, it is a good method to nurture your relationship with your customers by encouraging them to engage you on the social media. Example, invite them to the contest entries or regular checking your store with providing some incentives. Or encourage them to write a review, post their photos with you, or comment their own experience in your shop. You can set up the process to encourage your customer to leave the comments for you and leverage that review and the comments to show your new customers and build up the trust with them. And the very, very important thing to engage your customer is always to listen to your customers. Listen to your customers and you will get an idea about the real problem they have and the assistance they need. The social media is truly a useful platform as the true audience will leave a message about their like, dislike, worries, and complaints. Through your reply to their message, they can feel your authenticity and sincerity. Okay, now is our bonus tip. And before that, I have a question for you. Can your customers find you on the Google Map or Google My Business? If not, you better speed up your action with our hack number 9, Smart Google Tools for the Expert You. Get yourself reachable on the Google Map and the Google My Business. These two tools are the guarantee to bring you more traffic, leads, and customers. And if you have the YouTube channel, this will help you more because the Google owns the YouTube, which means whenever there's someone searching on the internet on the Google, then your YouTube channel has a chance to pop out. Hey, before we say goodbye, I have one more good news for you here. Well, I hope you enjoy my so many good news. In my next video, I'm going to review you some ideas for your marketing plans. So, if you are interested in how to be niche down and how to set up your year 2021 marketing plans, then I want you to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on any videos. As always, guys, I wish you enjoyed today's video. I appreciate you watching and I wish you a fruitful result for your marketing plans, and I wish you all the best with your family and your business. Okay, that's it for today. I will see you very soon next week. Bye.